Welcome to the booth of Jaguar Land Rover here at the IAA in Frankfurt. Of course, the star of the show here, that stand is for sure the new Defender. A lot of things has changed, but it's still a real Defender. And we're going to talk to one of the experts of the brand about all the details.
Yeah, I mean, first of all, I think it is an icon, and people, even a child, can see it's a Defender, so it has the design cues. But of course, it's a completely new interpretation. It's made for the 21st century, and you can see that in design, whilst we still keep the heritage of the old Defender. And as you said, it is a workhorse, so it genuinely is the car for the people that want to go to places where other cars and other people can't go to. Well, for the adventurers and expedition leaders amongst us, maybe some facts. The new Defender has a wading depth of 900 millimeters. For the free and curious minds that want to explore the end of the world with a tent, say, on the roof, it's got a static roof load of 300 kilos, a dynamic roof load of 168 kilos. That means 3 adult grown-up people can really sit and stand on the roof. It's got a maximum load capacity of 900 kilos, and it can tow really like a workhorse. 3.7 tons are possible. In Europe, that would be 3.5 tons for legal regulations. So it is a real workhorse that can do things that no other 4x4 can do. Well, we start with our very sustainable and clean Ingenium engines with two petrol engines and with 2 diesel engines. A highlight is certainly the mild hybrid engine, our T6, our 6-cylinder 400 horsepower petrol engine. We'll have a plug-in hybrid version later on in the life cycle of the Defender. So I think for every taste, for every need, we have the right engine. It's a car that's very intelligent off-road, so with all-terrain response 2, it's got a pro level, so you can tune the capability off-road to your individual needs, but also it's got a beginner level all-terrain response, so you can select between the different off-road modes. So for every expert level, it's the right off-roader.
The new Defender is not only new, it's also the icon of the brand. And how important this icon for the brand is, I talked to one of the members of the board about it.
Defender is incredibly important for Land Rover as a brand. It is our icon, and we're really proud and happy to again complete the family of Land Rovers. We have the Range Rover family, we have the Discovery family of products, and now back in the fold is the Defender, completing the family of products we've got. And Defender is a family in its own right, because Defender's got many iconic facets. We always had the 90 short wheelbase Defender, we have the 110 Defender, we have a commercial version of Defender catering to those with really hard use. So we're excited to be able to present this finally.
With this demonstration, Jaguar presents on a very nice and beautiful way that adaptive dynamics always does what you want from your Jag. That's it from the Jaguar Land Rover booth here from the IAA 2019 in Frankfurt. And for sure, the big star on this stand is the brand new Defender. Yes, it's a bit less boxy, a bit more modern, but I really do like the style. But if you visit the stand, you're going to find all the new cars of both brands, like the Jaguar F-Pace SVR, like the new Jaguar XF, or if you prefer Land Rover, of course, the new Discover, and yes, my star of this stand, the new Defender as well.